This is Tecno Spark 30C 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you top hidden features and tips and tricks for this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. Whenever you use your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open this notification center. But there is a gesture by which you can easily open this. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on desktop settings. Scroll down and then click on gestures. There you will see the option of slide down on launcher. Click on this and then select notification bar. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area, then it will open your notification center. If you will swipe down from the top, then sometimes it will open your notification center and then sometimes it will open your control center. But if you will swipe down from the left side of the front camera, then it will always open your notification center, and if you will swipe down from the right side of the front camera, then it will open your control center. You can also switch from notification bar to this control center like this. This phone have a feature of always on display, but by default this feature is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on personalization. Scroll down, there you will see the option of always on display. Click on this. Firstly, enable always on display. Here you have a lot of options. You can select your favorite style and then click on apply. Now whenever your phone is locked, it will show that specific always on display style and these clocks and a lot of information. If your phone is locked, then anyone can access your control center and your notification center and change any of these settings. But if you want to disable this, then simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on notification and status bar. Again click on more settings. Firstly, disable open control center from lock screen and also disable open notification center on lock screen. Now whenever your phone is locked, no one can access your control center or notification center. You can also open your favorite application from the locked screen with the help of a simple gestures. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on desktop settings. Again click on gestures. Here a lot of options you have. Select the gesture you want to set and then click on start app. Now select your favorite application and then click on OK. Now if you will do the gesture from the home screen, then it will automatically open that application. For example, I have set pinch out from the two fingers on the home screen, then it will open my YouTube application. This phone have a feature of smart sidebar. By default this feature is enabled, but let me show you how you can use this. If you will swipe from the left of the screen, then it will open this sidebar. You can also edit this. You can add your favorite application and also remove unnecessary application from here. After this, click on done. Now if you will open any application from the sidebar, it will open it in floating window. You can resize it from the corners and drag and drop it anywhere. You can keep on using your smartphone and it will remain as floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. So you can use this feature to multitask in your smartphone. If you want to open any application as small window, then simply open the application and then tap and hold on this recent button. Then it will open that application in small window. If your phone is locked, then anyone can long press the power button and then power off your smartphone. But if you want to set the password, then follow these steps. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on password and security. Scroll down and then click on mobile anti-theft. There on the top you will see the option of power off verification. Click on this. Now whenever your phone is locked, if someone try to power off your smartphone, then it will ask for that security password in your smartphone. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features. Simply open your settings and then click on display and brightness. The first one is dark theme. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the whites into blacks in your smartphone and this will decrease the pressure on your eye. The second one is, again scroll down, there you will see the option of eye care. If you will enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen a little bit. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you can use these two features if you want to protect your eyes. This phone have a 360 degree of flashlight feature. To enable this, open your control center and then tap and hold on the flashlight, and there you will see the option of 360 degree flashlight. With the help of that feature, you can enable the front flashlight and the back flashlight at the same time. If you use your phone for gaming, then you must enable the next feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on battery and power saving. There you will see the option of charge. Click on this and then click on bypass charging. Enable this. Now if your phone is connected to your charger, then it will bypass the electricity directly to your phone. So this will prevent you from overheating your smartphone, and it would also increase the battery lifespan. If you want to change the position of these three buttons, or if you want to set it to gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on system. There you will see the option of system navigation. Click on this and again click on more settings. Now with the help of this you can change the order of these three buttons, but if you want to set it to gesture navigation, then select gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this, open recent apps like this, and jump onto your home screen like this.